Check this out. Surprise, surprise.
What's the deal? It's Mr. Legit. What's up? I gotta be kind of quiet because it's a little early and the kids are sleeping. If you guys watched the last video, we were on a roof and I went out there and showed a little bit of the tear off, kind of construction, what we're doing. But the guy said that we made a mess in his attic when we were tearing off the 3-layer. So you guys better watch out for that. I'm gonna head down there and show you guys exactly what we have. I'm gonna be the one cleaning it up. We're gonna get loaded up and head on down there, so continue to watch, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the attack dog. What is this dog doing? Meet Bruce, newest member of the family. Woo! So let's face it, not everybody is gonna be watching this whole video through. Let me know in the comments at what point you stopped watching it. It's all right, tell me what you don't like about it, because I need to know what's good and what's bad. So just let me know in the comments what's your favorite part or what you dislike. Let's head down there. We are out here in Albany, gonna go take a look around. They did a pretty good job. I'm gonna switch the camera around here. What we're probably gonna do first is go on the attic, go see exactly how much debris in the attic, go ahead and get that cleaned out for them, and then we'll probably do a walk around the house. Hopefully it's not raining by then, because Lord knows it likes to rain in the northwest. But the rule of thumb is if it's bigger than your finger or about your thumb in the inside of the attic, we want to pick it up. Now if it's outside, then you want to use the rule of thumb. If it's bigger than your thumbnail, you pick it up. So if you see any debris or any trash, you know, you want to pick it up. So it looks pretty good around here. They did a pretty good job. So without that, let's go ahead and get inside and see what we got working with. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's take a look to see what we got. Let's see this right here. Let's turn this camera around and look at all this stuff. So all this stuff has to come out. Like I said, if it's bigger than your finger, then it's got to come out. See all this stuff? We got some work to do in here. All this stuff, especially like this. Like the guys should have known. They saw it all just falling in here, but either way, it's a pretty messy job. But if they came up here and put a tarp, it'd be a lot faster. So if you guys are doing this, make sure you get a tarp. It'll save you a ton of time. Let's go down and go grab that bucket. Got the bucket. All right, so what we're doing here is we're going bay by bay. So each bay, we're going and cleaning up. I went and got a bucket and a mask because this stuff's pretty nasty. So what you do is you just come in here like this and just pick up all this stuff, see? Just pick it up, throw it in here. I also do have a trash bag right here, because when this fills up, you just throw it in the trash bag. It's easier to put it in here than it is in the trash bag. So I'm just gonna take this over as far as I can reach, and then come back down here and clean this up. You can see it just takes time, it's tedious. It's pretty hot up here. It actually feels really good. We did add the intake ventilation, exhaust ventilation, so actually it's pretty good. But check out what I stumbled upon. I stumbled upon some little critters that are liking to live up here. They like the warmth, the dry. Check this out. Surprise, surprise. Looks like we have a bird's nest coming from the vent. You definitely got to have someone out here, but I'm gonna go ahead and continue to pick up these big pieces and get on out of here. Yeah, all the big pieces are pretty much done. We got 2 bags. 2 bags. 2 full bags of trash. But yeah. All right, now we just gotta go ahead and pick everything up. We got done vacuuming. Now we're just gonna get everything out, close it up, and we'll go check out the top of the roof. All right, so let's go over what we did. What we did was got the shop vac, got some bags, and basically we picked all that little stuff out by hand. It's a pain, so if you guys can, the smartest thing that you could do is I would suggest make sure that you guys are putting down a tarp, even if it's visqueen or something, you know, get something in there, that way you guys don't have to. It took me about 3 hours. So 3 hours, I mean, you could have put the tarp up there and probably saved you, I don't know, an hour and a half, and it would have done a better job. Yeah, let's go set the ladder up and see what we got up there. Woo-wee! That's a long hike, psych. All right, let's see what we got up here. This is looking real good. The gutters are put on here with these hidden brackets. And we do have our drip metal behind there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's not really showing up too good on camera, but yeah, you got our drip metal behind there. This is an Owens Corning duration shingle. Deco Ridge. Deco Ridge looks really, really nice. And we also do the intake ventilation, the Owens Corning Venture intake ventilation. Now on the bottom of it, we do go ahead and put the flashing on it. That stuff, we got 1x3, and then we have T-metal. We have a metal valley on here. The metal valley is 24 inches. It goes 12 inches up each side. And you got about, I don't know, I'd say about 2 inches cut out. The reason why you leave it cut out, to leave a little channel for the water to escape. When you put these intake ventilations on, we're gonna go ahead and make sure that you're putting starter below it and ice and water shield. That's what manufacturer specs are. Right here, this is a tricky little spot right here. So what they did was roofed all this up first, put some mastic down below it, and then they treated it like a wall. It looks really good. They did a really good job on that. So yeah, behind me is this roof. This roof is pretty steep. We did do Deco Ridge with a little bit of ridge vent. So basically this is a platinum roof. This system came with, it's a roof by Owens Corning with a warranty for 50 years. And in order to get it, you need to be a platinum contractor. This comes with the system. It's got 4 accessories to get a platinum roof. So in this case, he has 5. If you guys haven't seen the video of us tearing this roof off, I'll put a link up in the description. If you guys remember, in that video, we did a cool little time lapse of this garage. It looks really cool. I mean, this color looks great. This is a, gosh, I can't remember what color this is, but it's almost like grayish white. It's actually really cool. Looks really nice. And it was a big tear off. This is a pretty big job. All ground drop in the back here. If you like what you're seeing, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Well, without that, let's get the heck out of here. I am tired, I'm hungry, I am exhausted being up in that attic. I'm gonna get out of here. Have a good day, guys. Catch you on the next one.